Yep, there she is. It's a nail.
Okay, we lost the video for a minute.
Okay, right there. I'll get it
Yep,
through.
go ahead. Yep. You could also hear it. I see the bubble over there. It's right here. Are you looking for a pair of light needles?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you a pair. Okay, we're continuing on. We found the nail. We got a little pair of needle nose pliers. We're gonna pull out the. Look at that nice little nail, yeah. That's a good one there.
Yep. There she leaks.
So we're gonna take our little tool right here.
Where's it at? I gotta find that bitch. Where she go?
Somewhere right there. Yep, you got it. We're gonna put that guy in. Push him around. Then you're going to want to leave that tool in there to get your plug set up.
Yep.
Let him sit for a second.
That's where she's at. I got it.
Okay, so you're going to want to take your plug, tire plug. We got some glue, which is right here to cement. And also you're going to need your little tool that'll pull the plug through. Let me see what it looks like. It's got a little tip on it where the plug comes out, so you can get it out.
I'll show you how to do it. We've done
Millions of them. We're too cheap to buy new tires.
yeah, every car we've done this to. Multiple times.
So you're going to want to put the little tire plug in there. It's super, super sticky.
Take your plug and you slide her in.
Yep, it looks good. We're going to take some glue now. Rubber cement, I should say. Rubber cement, yep. It's really, really sticky.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. This is good for the dentist.
It's
The dentist,
tool.
yep.
Yeah, it's another tool.
The dentists approve of how to use this.
Yeah, they're brand new.
He wants to sell us new teeth, too.
They are for sale.
Take some cement, tuck it in your thing. If a little is good, then a lot's even better, so put a little extra on there. Don't be generous. Or I should say be generous.
And be generous. We need that.
Yep.
The more generous, the less the leak.
Well, we hope less the leak.
Okay.
Looks good. We're going to take it. At the same time, we're going to pull the plug out. We're going to pull the tool out. We're going to put the plug in.
Ready?
Yep, here we go. You hear the leak right now. Sometimes you're a little stubborn, you gotta push hard. And what the fun part is, sometimes you push too hard,
Then you make another hole.
and the whole plug goes in there and you gotta start over. So,
Or you make another hole.
we'll make another hole. We don't want another hole.
Yeah.
We almost got it.
This is a stubborn one. We're gonna get it.
We're gonna win.
Yep, we definitely win at the end. And I might have did what.
We'll have to see. We'll have to air her up and see.
Let me air her
We're
up.
gonna put some air in there and see what we got.
Exactly what you didn't want to do.
We're gonna see where we're at. Get your little air chuck. Take your valve stem cap off.
We got pressure. We should have it.
Let's see where we're at. This is really easy, but it's also easier to go to the tire shop and buy new tires too.
Oh my god, I got some of the stem sticking in.
Let's see what we got. We're just doing a quick repair right now to stop this every couple of days, putting air in the tire. We got an air compressor on. We're going to see if it's leaking.
Sure we got it.
Looks good for now. We'll see. We'll put it back on the car and see what we get. Looks pretty good. The gauge is in the house. I'll have to get the gauge. So anyways, we're back at it. We got the S10 in here. She's jacked up. We're ready to start taking the motor out tomorrow if we don't get too much snow. We're going to double check this tire for leaks. Everything's going good. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below if you patched it, tire in the past, or put a plug in it. Like I said, a patch is the way to do it securely and professionally, but as long as it works for us, we're good for it. So, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon, because tomorrow we're going to get started on pulling this motor out. We got the other motor right here. We're getting ready to go in. We're just getting everything lined up. We look good for now. Thank you. We'll see you soon.